My name is Michele Brazil. I have 3 children. I initially heard about the Parents League back in, I guess it was like 2011 or 2012 when we were applying for our eldest daughter to go to preschool. But I'd never really looked into it until, last summer. And I just started noticing on Instagram that they were posting about workshops. But I would get off of these workshop Zooms, I'm like, oh my God, this is great. I can't believe we have all this information. They were talking about the testing and the scores and what scores the schools are looking for and everything. And I was just like, knowledge is power. So the more information I had, the better I felt. Of course, throughout the process, I was telling everybody, oh, you really need to join the Parents League because they have all these amazing offerings and all this vast amount of information that's out there for like a nominal fee. That's the thing. I will tell you, it's very helpful to know that there is someone there who has no other interest but to help you. And they're professionals and they know how things work. All the schools that they've visited, some schools that are so small that you may never have heard of, but they know the program, they know the curriculum, they know what the parent is going to be getting when they walk in. And it's those hidden gems that sometimes you just don't know about. But as an organization, I think being accessible is really important, and I feel like they do have a broad reach. And they're very intentional in what they are bringing to the table. Had I not had Parents League, I don't know if I would have had as much guidance. I kind of feel like I would have been walking somewhat in the dark. Everyone likes to have their hand held at certain points, especially when it has to do with your children, and having advisors and just contacts at Parents League who've been through it before, either as parents or as consultants. They know the deal, and that to me it was pretty priceless.